Hi children, this is your Suvarna teacher. Children, in our previous video, we came to know about the sun, planets and solar system. In this video, we are going to know about some other members of the solar system. There are some other bodies which revolve around the sun. They are also members of the solar system. Let us know about some of them. They are asteroids, comets, and meteoroids. Meteors or meteoroids. Let us know what are asteroids. Asteroids. There is a large gap between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. This gap is occupied by a large number of small objects that revolve around the sun. These are called asteroids. Asteroids can only be seen through large telescope. Children, let us know more about asteroids. Children, let us have a look into the asteroid belt more clearly. I would like to take you into the asteroid belt. The asteroid belt is located roughly between the orbits of planets Jupiter and Mars. It contains a great many solid, irregularly shaped bodies of many sizes, from small stone to the asteroids, which their size can be compared with the big mountains which are present on our Earth. And these solid, irregularly shaped bodies of many sizes, much smaller than planets, called the asteroid or minor planets. What is the origin of these asteroid belt? Early in the solar system, dust and rock circulating the sun were pulled together by gravity into planets. Thus, they become planets. But not all. Some of them were not formed as planets. So the remaining, what are the rocky materials, they form as a region between Mars and Jupiter, become the asteroid belt. And there will be another version. This asteroid belt is a destroyed planet, and the total mass of the all the asteroids present in the asteroid belt is less than the moon. Another version, in the early stage of solar system, Jupiter and Saturn were thought to have moved inwards towards the sun before changing direction and heading back to outer solar system. Along the way, they scattered the original asteroid belt before then they sent materials flying back to refill. They are made up of rocks and stones, and a small portion of they contain iron, nickel, and other so many minerals. These asteroids can help our scientists to investigate the formation of the universe and the formation of the solar systems. Many researchers were conducting on this asteroid belt. From these asteroids, rocky materials, we can come to an idea how this universe was made, how the solar system was made. So they are very helping to our scientists. So this is the asteroid belt. 323 Brucia was the first asteroid to be discovered by the use of astronography in 1891. Sometimes some asteroids may come out from their orbits and they will be attracted by the other planets due to gravity. Sometimes they also attracted by the earth, and see, sometimes some of the asteroids may enter into the earth's atmosphere. And see children, see the different sizes of the asteroids, from small stone to, and as soon as they enter in the earth's atmosphere, because of the air friction, they will be vaporized. See the different sizes of the asteroids in the asteroid belt. So they are also revolving around the sun like our planet. So these are also the family members of solar systems. So these are also revolves around the Sun. The size of the asteroids are about 1000 kilometers or less in diameter. They also periodically revolves around the Sun. The photography of astronomers objects is called astrophotograph. Now, let us know about the comets. Comets are also members of our solar system. They revolve around the sun in highly elliptical orbits. However, their period of revolution around the sun is usually very long. A comet appears generally as bright head with a long tail. The length of the tail grows in size as it approaches the sun. The tail of comet is always directed away from the sun. Many comets are known to appear periodically. One such comet is Halley's Comet, which appears after every 76 years. It was last seen in 1986. Can you tell when Halley's Comet will be visit again? Yes, it will be visible again in 2061. Comets having an icy center called nucleus, around nucleus gas and dust is surrounded is called coma. When this comet approaches the sun, it will get vaporized. These vapors push backward by the solar winds appearing as tail, gas tail and dust tail. Children, let us know about meteors or meteorites. At night, when the sky is clear and the moon is not visible, you may sometimes see bright streaks of light in the sky. These are commonly known as shooting stars. Although they are not stars, they are called meteors. A meteor is usually a small object that occasionally enters the Earth's atmosphere. It has a very high speed. The friction due to the atmosphere heats it up. It glows and evaporates quickly. That's why the bright streaks last for a very short time. Some meteors are large and so they can reach the earth before they evaporate completely. The body that reaches the earth is called meteorite. The meteorite helps scientists in investigating the nature of the material from which solar system was found. So children, that's all for this session. I think you have very clear idea about the other members of solar system. Thank you children.